In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create infographics in VistaCreate. Creating infographics can be a wonderfully engaging way to present data and ideas visually, and with VistaCreate, it's both fun and easy. So, let's get started, shall we? First things first, you'll want to log into your VistaCreate account. Once you're comfortably situated in the main dashboard, your journey begins by clicking on the Create a Design button. This will open up a world of possibilities as you search for the right format for your infographic. You can type infographic directly into the search bar, or take a moment to browse under the marketing materials section to find it there. The key here is to find or identify a template that complements the structure you've got in mind, like a timeline or a comparison chart. Even if the template isn't a perfect fit at first glance, don't worry. You can always tweak it to suit your needs. With your template in hand, it's time to dive into customization. You can start by adjusting the canvas size if necessary, keeping in mind that tall, vertical layouts are quite common for infographics. Then, move on to modifying the template content by replacing any placeholder text with the information you want to share. It's your chance to bring your own unique message to life. Adding visual elements is a crucial part of the infographic crafting process. Icons, illustrations, and shapes can make each data point clear and more visually appealing. Lines, separators, and boxes are also excellent tools for grouping related items, making your infographic not only informative, but also easy to understand. And if you've got any data that could benefit from being shown in a chart, go for it. VistaCreate supports design elements like pie, bar, or line charts, which can add a professional touch to your work. As you customize the layout and add visual elements, don't forget to fine-tune your infographic by adjusting the fonts and colors. Headings should stand out and be easy to read, so choose a font style that's both appealing and legible. Sticking to a consistent color scheme is essential. If you have brand colors or a specific theme in mind, make sure to use them. It's always important to ensure there's sufficient contrast between text and background, as this helps make your infographic accessible to everyone. And there you have it, your very own infographic created in VistaCreate. With these tools and tips, you can craft informative and engaging visuals that capture your audience's attention. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and we can't wait to see what you create.